What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Christian's Kitchen. On today's menu, we have an exciting herb marinated chicken breast that we're going to accompany that with some sweet chili glazed sweet potatoes and some roasted parmesan broccoli. With the marinade I'm about to show you, it's sure to be a game changer. So let's get started. For this amazing marinade, we will need garlic, herbs, red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, and some lemon juice. Give it a good blitz in the food processor and pour that over your boneless, skinless chicken breast. Seal up that Ziploc bag and shake. Our sweet potatoes are what take the longest to cook, so we're gonna get started with those. You're gonna wanna peel them and then cut them into 1/2-inch cubes. Once we have our sweet potatoes cubed, season them with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Give that a good mix and lay them in a single flat layer on your baking sheet. Throw them in the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes. As for the broccoli, we're gonna simply cut the florets into fourths, season them with olive oil, garlic, lemon zest, salt and pepper, give that a good mix, and move the broccoli onto the baking sheet. Now here is where we add some awesome flavor and crunch with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and Italian breadcrumbs. Throw them into the oven with the potatoes for about 25 to 30 minutes. Time for that sweet chili glaze. And dude, this sauce is amazing. But anyways, start with some olive oil, chili paste, honey, rice wine vinegar, season with some salt, grate in your garlic and ginger, mix it up and set it aside. Let's go ahead and season our chicken breast one more time with salt and pepper before throwing it on the grill. And be sure to cook the chicken on each side for about 5 minutes. Let's make sure we are flipping our veggies halfway through to ensure an even cook on both sides. When the potatoes are done, we are going to take them out and evenly distribute that amazing sweet chili glaze sauce. Then we're going to go ahead and put them back into the oven to broil for about 5 minutes. Once the chicken has had enough time to rest, let's go ahead and slice into it, and then we are ready to plate. Start by placing down those amazing sides, then go ahead and lay over top your sliced chicken breast, garnish the sweet potato with some green onion and sesame seed, and winner, chicken dinner. That's how it's done, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, share, spread the word, and we will catch you next time on Christian's Kitchen.